back again with a new video today, and again I'm in kind of place over here, and we're gonna record a video. Let's see where the day takes us, where God has marked our lives. So yeah, many new and different people we're gonna get to meet, and let's see how we see it all. Let's see. Yeah. So now I got these spectacles from some of the random dude over here, and this thing is looking like a monkey, a spectacle monkey. I'm looking like, like my whole face. It's looking very thin, just like a peanut, and this thing it's looking so huge and big. Whoa, bro! It just suits on you only. This one. All right, yeah. So bro has given me this one, and yeah, it's quite amazing though. Am I looking good in this one? Yeah, I'm looking good in this one. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, man. Is this also for power?
No.
Without power. Yeah, that's good though. So, what's our name, brothers?
Chandrajit.
What's that?
Chandrajit.
Chandrajit. And you, bro? Harshad. So. Hey yo, what's up everyone? So we are over here, brothers. Let us know your name. Harshad over this side, and bro. Chandrajit over this side, and Mayank, as you all know, your host. So we were just discussing about the life of India, like how the people of India, they come closer to each other. Like I was unknown to them, they were known to me, but in just a kick of maybe something like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. In just a kick like of 5 to 10 minutes, we became so friendly. We became friends of each other. So that's what I've told you about in every vlog of mine, that we are Indians and we really get friendly to each other just like this only. That's how we pay our hospitality to everyone. That's what India is all about. Just love, peace, harmony, and the most important thing, compassion and humbleness. And his spectacles again, this suits on him only, not on me.
Because I'm a lunatic asylum.
What's that?
Because I'm a lunatic asylum. I'm a king of kings.
Wow, bro, wow. That's so, man, yeah. Let's go, bro feast. Bro feast, man. Yeah, bro feast, yeah.
It's like a shield. It's like a Roman man, such balance, and Dean Ramsey.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yo, bro. Yeah, let's go. Bro, Harshad over this side. Yo, Harshad, yeah. And we are just thinking, just make your own perfume. Hello, sir. How are you? Can we have a round of a head, then we will come to you back. Thank you so much for that. Just look over this side. Wow. What's that?
That's a
Chaotic photo booth.
it's for Valentine.
It's for Valentine, yeah.
And we are here just simping around single boys.
Single boys. Everyone today is on Valentine Day because it's Valentine. It's 14th Feb today, and we don't have anyone with us.
That's why we are just fucking around.
We're just messing around. Otherwise,
Where is our bro?
bro is over
Come
there.
here.
Bro is over there. Let's go. Yeah.
They
So
snatched,
we
they
have
snatched
this-
my bag.
So we have this token so that
Bro is there.
yeah. So we are. What's that?
Bro is looking for good jeans, I think. Do you like it?
They are from which company?
Levi's.
Levi's.
Levi showroom.
There are so many. Slim. You can take over there. You can see the shirt. This one is good, right? This shirt is good. Beautiful. What's that?
Some fun. You are seeing this man has very round ass. So he is looking for baggy jeans.
Let's go.
after so much masturbation, he is
After so much masturbation. What's that? No. Wow.
the fountain or the other thing.
Fountain, man.
Fountain,
Yeah. Obviously, a fountain. Bo is over there. Excuse me.
There is Rolex showroom over there.
Did you see that? It's the old photo of Connaught Place, CP, of Rajiv Chowk Metro Station. Wow.
Okay, the people are riding the bicycles.
Wow. At the time, owning a bicycle was a royalty in itself. Wow. So beautiful, man, right? So beautiful. Owning a bicycle at the time was a beauty.
Very
in
luxurious
itself.
thing, actually.
It was indeed.
My bro is saying, let's walk around in the other place.
Even I have like this thing. I've seen the bicycles standing at the what do we call the place? Outside of the royal palaces. When the bicycles were newly introduced.
Yeah, it got very luxurious thing at that time.
Yeah, it was a luxurious thing, and now it's nothing.
Yeah, it's a Nike shoe.
Nike show. Let's go in the Nike showroom. Yeah. So, but I don't think so that they should.
Dim color.
Yeah, but I don't think so that they should come in the fresh price available.
But
Fresh is all there.
also.
And still they are saying that this thing should be kept in sale though. So Harshit over here wanted to tell a news to everyone that couples are celebrating Valentine outside and we are celebrating Valentine in Brotherhood today.
Yeah, and we will show you the best clips of the Valentine of this year.
Of Brotherhood.
Of Brotherhood. And you will, if you watch this vlog, bro, you will get your mind blast. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Love you guys.
Damn show, just subscribe and share because I need that because right now.
Yes, bro. We will tell you how the B3 brothers spend the Valentine Day. Shh. In the next vlog. We are back.
Alright, so bro over there wanted to tell you something about her girl and wanted to tell something about what the real man is. So bro, camera is yours, stage is yours. Come on,
bro.
Let's go.
Hi everyone, my name is Chandra and people call me Baba, Lunatic and King also.
Yeah.
I met my love life in 2016. Love her so much and I can do anything for her. Even I didn't kill anyone and I will kill myself for her anytime.
Wow.
And I love her because I respect her. I always be glad that she's my wife, she's my lover, she's my soulmate.
Wow.
And
Beautiful.
And I will tell you everyone, if you have your girl have something problem, kill anybody. Don't be scared from death. Because death is all about true love.
Wow. So beautiful.
So be strong, don't be regret, don't be saying that I will try, she will not get to me. Don't be try, just do it for because you have loved someone.
Wow.
Don't be a loser, be a true lover or a die.
Wow. And bro, yeah. What's
I
that?
want to say I am an old legend lover.
Wow, so beautiful. And bro even said me this thing that the area where her girl lives, everyone is scared of him. So that's what I told about his girl, that if your girl is feeling safe because of you, that's what a real man, that's what a true lover is meant for and is what the real lover. Hats off to you, bro. Hats off to you. Yeah, let's go.
Because I'm not a lover. First of all, I am a God son. I will trust only a God. I know if He with me, I can save her from anything.
Wow.
Evil can touch me.
Wow.
I will kill the evil. I don't scared from anyone, even from the mafias, even from the rackets, even from the police, even from the courts. This is my lover. I do what I do for
Wow.
her
Wow.
because I will save her from anyone.
Wow.
So, if you have a true lover, don't show him. Just do it.
Just do it. Yeah.
True lover does not mean you gift a rose to her. That is not a true one. You have to have a true lover. You have to have a true lover. You give him respect and give him safety from everyone.
Yes. That's what love is all about. Wow. A golden words, man. Golden words. Yeah. Golden words, man.
So always be a true lover. Don't be a fucking lover.
Wow. Don't be a fucking lover, but be a real and good and true lover. That's what brother is telling all about. Thank you, bro. Thank you for these golden words. Alright, so we have made the video with Harshit bro and Chandrajit bro over here, and we are now leaving for our homes. So thank you so much, bro, for this hospitality and for this company. May God bless you all. May the true light and may the divine light follow your way and lead you to the light and to God. Blessings to all. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Okay.
And just check out the crowd of Valentine's Day. So people are in a huge amount, in a huge number over here. So yeah. So this is all they all are doing these things. And with this, I hope you all like the video and everything. So I hope. So please make sure to share it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I'm gonna be again back with a new video for all of you. Well, it was Valentine's Day today, so I've shown you all of the videos of the people and of everything, and of how people get their love time in Delhi, and how we all are celebrating the humanity in Delhi, India. Thank you so much.